This is the Hanatora tablet holder for the DJI drone controller. So you fit it on here and you can put a tablet and to use as your monitor. Comes in a box like this. I already took it out. There's a manual. Might need that, not likely. Comes with a lanyard, and the mount is in this bag. Right, looks like it opens up. Spring loaded to hold the tablet, and that clips in. All right, I'm gonna get the controller and the tablet and put it all together. All right, it fits in here this way. Clips in. Oops. There's a button at the back that lets it clip in place. Check that out. All right, so that's not coming off. Doesn't add that much weight. And you can reposition this multiple ways. Fits really nicely. That's not falling out. Not falling out. The tablet I have is an Android tablet. Has a regular TPU case on it. Has some grip. I think that's useful. You'll obviously need a longer cord so it could fit in the back here. This cord is long enough. Perfect. Let's try the lanyard. Can adjust the length, which is good. Feels a little velvety. Definitely should not scratch your neck up. Let me see. Now, I don't feel any irritation, depending on how long you're using it for. And that just clips. There are two holes right there, one on either side. Clips right there. The other one clips right there. Seems nicely made. All right, disassembly. Apparently you press this button and it comes off. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see how this works. Okay, so if you can see that right in there, there's a little button. When you press the button, that's what secures it. Put it in, press the button, clips in. That's not coming out. I was skeptical at first, but I'm very pleased with it. So, and you supposedly could readjust this. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that will even change the center of gravity. So the tablet, the weight of the tablet is now more over the controller itself. That's pretty cool. There's still ample space for your hands and your thumbs and so on. That's pretty cool. All right.